Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vidhi and today we will be unboxing metallic deco brush set from Karin markers. So this is how the packaging of the box looks like. Let's just open it and see what we have got. So this is how the box looks like, and it is not a cardboard box like other two boxes. It's a metal box, and inside we have got this small guide on how to use and store the deco brush markers. Like we can maintain the solid color pigment by shaking them, and the color durability and the recommended storage position and all that stuff. So we have got 10 markers in this metallic brush set, and these contain warm shades like gold, bronze, copper, silver, and some cold shades like pink, blue, dark green, light green, purple and black. The colors look quite pigmented and the hold is pretty good. The tip has a lot of pigment on it, and Deco Brush metallic permanent marker is written on the pen. We have to shake it before using, and we have to store it horizontally. This is usually suitable for most surfaces. So we have seen that these markers are काफ़ी amazing. So let's just get right into the swatching part of the video. So I have prepared a swatch card with black strips so I can check the durability on the black paper. So this is the first color that we are trying. It's the silver color, and as you can see the color works pretty well on the black, and it has a little bit of shine to it, giving it a metallic look. And I literally love them because they are so pigmented and super fluid. Now sit back and enjoy the beautiful and satisfying swatches of this beautiful metallic colors. काम करूं तो सीधा कर तो तमाम हूँ तू बेमिसाल है मैं बदनाम हूँ तू साउथ दिल्ली है मैं गुरुग्राम हूँ मेरा पता ना ठिकाना कोई फ्लॉप होता नहीं गाना कोई ना करूँ तो ना करूँ पर करने पे आया प्यार तो मिलेगा ना मुझे सब दीवाना कोई बस को तोलना नहीं आता फालतू में मुंह खोलना नहीं आता तेरी कसम रखे सब बात है मुझे बस एक सॉरी बोलना नहीं आता. थोड़ा शैतान मैं थोड़ा शर्मीला थोड़ा सा ड्रीम मैं थोड़ा चमकीला that's a fendi ये नहीं फिला पीता नहीं आंखों से पिला नहीं है पिला दिल करे बिना किसी चिल्लो दे दे हम साफ दे दे नहीं दिलो गेम पे किल हम साले नहीं बटना बना. So these are the final swatches of this beautiful color set, and the colors look as pigmented as the caps on the color markers. And with this, we are finally done with all the swatches and unboxing of the Karin marker big box that we received. And I'm super thankful to Karin markers for giving me the opportunity to collaborate with them. If you liked the video, comment and tell me what your favorite part was and what should I do next. I love these swatches so much that I'm gonna place them on my swatch wall, and they're looking super beautiful. So once again, thank you for being here. Bye.